Hello guys, welcome to the video of Health Spot. Making your skin healthier can start as soon as your next meal. While there are lots of products we can buy to make our skin looks better from the outside, the best way to get smooth skin is to improve the foods you're putting into your body. Here is your guide to the best food for glowing skin. What to eat every day. Number 1. Chocolate. Love chocolate? Here's a piece of good news for you. The cocoa present in your favorite chocolate can hydrate your skin and makes it firm and supple. Try picking up a bar of dark chocolate instead of a milky one, as it contains a high level of flavonoids, an antioxidant, which is best for glowing skin. Number 2. Carrots. Carrots are full of beta-carotene, an antioxidant that converts vitamin A, which helps to protect against UV rays. By eating carrots you can also prevent dry skin. Number 3. Avocados. Packed with essential fatty acids, vitamin E, and antioxidants, avocados should be a staple in any diet aimed at great skin. It is a rich source of good fats that are essential for health and hydration of cell membranes. These membranes are the gatekeepers of your skin cells. They let the good stuff in and keep the toxins out. Number 4. Brown rice. If you think your skin looks dull and lackluster and are wondering how to make your skin glow, then make brown rice a part of your diet. Packed with magnesium, vitamins, and antioxidants, replacing white rice with brown rice helps protect the skin from blemishes and acne breakouts. The proteins present in brown rice repair damaged skin. Number 5. Green tea. Green tea is a superfood that needs to be a part of your diet for healthy skin. The antioxidants in green tea protect the skin from environmental aggressors such as pollution, sun damage, dust, and grime to keep your skin healthy. It also flushes out toxins from your system to prevent the appearance of wrinkles and keeps other signs of aging at bay. It is also the perfect way to calm down and relax after a long day. Number 6. Papaya. Consuming papayas is one of the best ways to make your skin glow. Chock full of vitamins A, C, B, that are vital for maintaining the health of your skin. If you suffer from constipation, then it is highly recommended to make papaya a part of your diet, as constipation is touted to be one of the major causes of poor skin health. Number 7. Almonds. Most of us like eating almonds, and you would love to eat them when we'd tell you that they defend your skin against sun damage. The vitamin E present in almonds provides your skin with the much needed elasticity. Thanks for watching. If you find something useful in this video, please like, share and subscribe.